Hello. Today we're going to talk about special expressions with other, another, the others, and it's going to be in the form of a grammar quiz. If you want to complete the worksheet first and then use this video as your answer key, you can click the link in the description, download the worksheet, print it, then do the exercise, then watch this video to check your work. If you want a whole book of exercises, I have a great book available on Amazon. You can find the link to that in the description too. It's a great grammar book with really a great answer key. So it's perfect for self-study. Let's get started. All right, I have this sentence. Pizza Hut is one fast food restaurant. KFC is fast food restaurant. In that situation, we mean one more. KFC is one more. There's a long list of fast food restaurants, and KFC is just one of them. So we'll use another. Another is singular, and it just gives the idea of one more in addition to the one or ones already mentioned. So answer, another fast food restaurant. There are many fast food restaurants in the world. Pizza Hut is one. KFC and McDonald's are. In this situation, I see KFC and McDonald's, so that's plural. So it's a question of do I use others or the others? And in this case, there's many fast food restaurants. There's Popeyes, there's Wendy's, there's Taco Bell. So there's a long list of them. So Pizza Hut or Wait, KFC and McDonald's are just two of that list. So it's not the end of the list. So we'll use others. Others. If I want to use the others, I would have to have a limited list, like of the three pictures, Pizza Hut is one, and KFC and McDonald's are the others of the pictures at the bottom of the page. But for this one, the way that sentence is written, the correct answer is others. There are three pictures below. One is McDonald's, blank are Pizza Hut and KFC. In this situation, I see Pizza Hut and KFC. I know that's plural. Is it others or the others? Here, I'm going to use the others because I've identified a limited list of three. I said there's three pictures, so one is McDonald's, and then the rest of the list are Pizza Hut and KFC. So for the rest of the list, all that remains, we use the other or the others. Here we'll say the others because there's two of them. It's plural. The three restaurants are similar to each. In this case, we'll say each other. After each, I always have a singular noun, and other is singular, but so would be another. But this is an expression. I have two expressions, each other and one another. We would use with similar, similar to each other, or similar to one another. And it gives the idea of some reciprocal relationship between the two. Like my children hit each other all the time, or they hit one another all the time. I eat at McDonald's every week. I eat there 2 times per month. If it's 2 times per month, then I skip a week. So that would be every other week. Every other is an expression that gives that idea of skipping one. So if you do something twice a month, maybe it's every other week. Or if you do it 6 times a year, that's every other month. Um, yeah, or sometimes for your writing assignments, if you're writing by hand, they say skip a line or write on every other line. These restaurants serve French fries for Pizza Hut. And that situation, we want this idea to say not Pizza Hut. And we have the word for, so we would say except for. Except for means not that one. Another way I can say that is other than. These restaurants serve French fries other than Pizza Hut, same meaning as except for Pizza Hut. Blank than Pizza Hut, these restaurants serve French fries. In this case, I'm going to use other than. I have two expressions that can give this idea of not that one. We have other than and except for. but because I have than in the sentence, we'll have to use other for this one. And both of those, other than, except for, give the idea of not that one or excluding this one. Eat fast food every day in blank words. I don't have a good diet. In this case, the expression is in other words. So in other words, not others or another, just in other words gives the idea of I'm going to say the same thing, just use different words to say it. In other words. My coworkers and I go to KFC every blank Friday for lunch. It's okay to eat fast food 2 times per month. In this case, if I go to KFC 2 times a month, then I skip a week. So that would be every other month or every other Friday. So anytime you do it this Friday, not the next one, then the next one, that would be every other Friday. Other times we use that if it's every other month, that maybe means we do it 6 times a year. If it's the teacher tells you to write on every other line, that means skip a line. I went to McDonald's the blank day. I love the French fries. In this case, if I want to say I went to McDonald's recently, but not yesterday, I would use the expression the other day. The other day is recently, but probably not yesterday.